Hey folks, Rick here from the Fultz Bailey Model Railroad. Getting into my next kit, and I've already know what this one's going to be. So let's, without further ado, let's just get over here and take a look. All right, so this one is going to be the Walker building. It's a DPM kit number 204, and it kind of looks like that. It's got 5 sides. The front of it is in 2 pieces. Here are all those pieces. You've got 2 side buildings. I've already glued on the inside chimney pieces because you guys know I forget those all the time. So I figured let me do it while I got the chance. This is the back wall. This is actually the front. You can see they put all the windows. This one actually has windows. I get to glue windows and doors. It's going to be awesome. This one here is the bottom, the front of the store. Then this gets glued on top like that. And then this piece here is actually the top, which will get glued onto the building like that. And the rest of this is just windows and doors. So I got some sanding to do. I got some parts to cut out, and I got to get all this primed. So I'll be back as soon as that's done. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, you know what time it is. We got an update. We got some paint on the building. We got everything's sanded, primed, and paint. Come take a look. All right, so these are the colors that I'm going with. There's a darker blue on the bottom. Not sure if you can see it in camera, but there's a lighter blue in the windows. And then I originally just primed the building gray, and I was having a real hard time trying to find out what this other color was going to be because that's the base of the brick. And I didn't want to do just a plain red brick. I've got all these buildings up here on the shelf. They're all red brick. So I saw a photo online. I don't remember where I got it from. So this time there is no inspiration photo. But they did this concept. They just did the primer and then a whitewash and then kind of wiped the. So I did a thin paint, a thin white paint, and I brushed it all on there, and then what I did is I wet the brush with just water, and then I kind of washed it in spots where I knew it would lift the paint up. And then that paint, all I did was take a paper towel and then dab it back off. And that's what gave me this half whitewash kind of building. This one's got more paint on it than the other ones. But there's going to be some signs and things on these walls as well. So that's all going to get covered up. But I kind of like this whitewash, grayish whitewash. So what's coming up next? We're going to do curtains in the window, and I've got something new for curtains in the window. We still got a roof to put on, and the roof is just a plain piece of black, some thick plastic. But you know how I like to do my roofs, so that's coming. So the roof, we're gonna do some curtains, the roof, and then some signs. So we'll be back right after that's done. Stay with me. All right, gang. The paint's done. The windows are in. The roof is on. The signs are up. I think we're open for business. Do me a favor, pause the video here, and I want you to go down in the comments and let me know if you guessed who this building is for before I reveal it. Because here we go. All right, gang. There's that roof that you guys know I love to do. This is Wilson's Hobbies. I got some signs in the front window. Some of them say sale, half price, buy and save, hobbies and trains. Over here, I did some weathering. Got some dirt coming off the roof, off the windows, down onto the hobby shop sign that looks like it's been there for years with all its brick detail. The back of the building also did some not so good weathering up there, but I highlighted some of the good spots there. And over here on the side, oh man, look, somebody went and graffitied the building already. Ain't that something? can't let a good thing last. Again, did some weathering around the windows, around the roof, and yeah, that's it. That's Wilson's Hobbies. So also did some weathering down here. Tried to get all the highlights of the windows and the doors and everything, just with some grimy black powder. I think I might have gone a little heavy in some spots. I'm still getting used to it. But I made sure I got in behind the signs, above the signs, everywhere over there. I wish I would have did a little better on this. The logo here, if you look at it in certain lights, you can kind of see I didn't thin the paper out quite enough, and you can kind of see that it's glued on there. This one I did a better job at. You really can't see the edge line on that. And the paper was really, really thin there, and it's got really good brick detail. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of Wilson's Hobbies. I really hope that the owner of that building has it for many, many years and likes his new hobby shop. So that'll be a staple here at the Fultz Bailey Model Railroad. I got another one coming up next. I think you guys are going to enjoy. Until then, roll the outro. All right, so there it is, Rail Riders.
That's right. Rails together.
Yeah, that just happened.